Hello, it's Joe from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm pleased to be showing you around this 2014 Vauxhall Mokka. It's got the 1.4 litre petrol engine, it's all-wheel drive, and its one previous owner has maintained it fantastically well with a full Vauxhall main dealer service history. In this video, we're going to take a look around the vehicle, show you everything we know about it, so that when you come here to the fantastic Clever Car Collection for a test drive, you know exactly what you're coming to see. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's take a look round this 2014 Vauxhall Mokka. We've just finished preparing this with our Auto Glym products, and as you can see, it's polished up beautifully well. A couple of little marks we've spotted as we've gone round that I'll point out as we do so, but nothing really to report on the front here. All looking in really great condition. No marks at all on the bonnet that we could see. As we move round to the driver's side, this wheel, good condition. And again, no major marks. In fact, no marks that I can see at all on this wing mirror. Moving around the side of the vehicle, there is a small parking ding here that we can see, and a little scuff just there. But apart from that, nothing else of note. Again, moving round to the back, nothing that stands out on the boot at all, on the boot lid or the bumper. Roof, again, also in great condition. Coming round to the passenger side, a small little scuff you might just be able to make out, quite hard to see, but there is a small little scratch there. Again, this wheel looking good. Nothing of note on the rear door there. Another small, just little parking ding that you can probably just make out there on the passenger door. But again, that's the only real thing of note there. And a little scuff just on the passenger side wing mirror there. Front wing, nothing of note. And again, last wheel there, looking good. So let's jump inside and take a look. Okay, let's take a look inside the vehicle. Start in the back. All the leather upholstery is in really good condition. No major marks or damages that we can see at all. Strangely, in these Mokkas, you do get a 240 volt 3-pin plug outlet that you can see down there. Bit of a nuance for these vehicles, only capable of a sort of lower power. It's obviously driven by an inverter, but can be useful for charging laptops and such like. Come round to the boot. Great size boots on these Mokkas, and again, all in really nice condition. And let's jump in the front and take a look. Okay, inside, as we've seen in the advert, really great specification with this particular Mokka. Comes with Bluetooth, both obviously for phone connectivity, radio, CD and aux in are all options available there. Ooh, just turn that down. Moving down, it's also got the heated seats in the front and the dual zone climate control and the 6-speed manual gearbox. I'll just start it up so that we can see there are no warning lights on the dash. Just put my seatbelt on to remove. That one, and we can see there mileage 53, just shy of 53,700, and no warning lights on the dash, and also the automatic lights that I can turn on and off there. So yeah, some really nice features. Both the front seats are electrically adjusted, front and rear parking sensors, and also the eco mode to maximise your fuel efficiency. Last but not least, service history wise, As we've seen in the advert, the one previous owner has treated this vehicle fantastically well with full main dealer services, and I can show you those in the book here. So obviously a 2014 vehicle, was serviced back at the Vauxhall main dealer just up the road from us here in 2015. And again, that's where he's taken it every time. So same garage in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 23, and finally in July 2024. And last but not least, this vehicle will be handed over to its new owner with a fresh service, a fresh 12-month MOT, and a standard R3-month 3,000 mile warranty. There is an option to upgrade that warranty with our award-winning partners Warranty-Wise should you wish. We can offer finance and also nationwide delivery. Obviously, fees apply for that one. But yeah, we look forward to welcoming you to the Clever Car Collection soon to show you around this fantastic Mokka. And if you haven't already, please take a moment to check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We are really proud of our 5-star customer service we offer, and can't wait to offer you the same service when you come and take this fantastic little Mokka for a test drive. We'll see you soon.